When it rains, from that moment on, every raining, I have a fear that can happen again.
Catastrophic floods in Serbia.
Nemam riječi da opišem tu katastrofu, tu brzinu.
Devastating drought in Kenya.
Abuera garing gol ko kala. Kotara daw na tang tuka kaul kada. Lakini anyari mo nang tatamin dulu.
In 2013, natural disasters threatened more than 97 million people worldwide, causing incalculable socioeconomic damages from destroyed infrastructure and loss of public services. The human security approach is more comprehensive, people-centered, context-specific, and prevention-oriented. It addresses the root causes of people's vulnerability and builds their resilience to future disasters through sustainable risk reduction strategies. The Aral Sea crisis in Uzbekistan. Today, irrigation canals have reduced the sea to a toxic desert, devastating local fishing and agriculture economies, forcing many to relocate or endure harsh living conditions. The UN country team championed a large-scale 5 UN agency project, providing water, sanitation, and electricity, as well as medical supplies and health services to those communities directly impacted by this environmental disaster.
Соның 70%-іне қазіргі күнде өздерінің қолданбалары әрқилы туберкулез кеселігін алдын алу ләжлары, ықпал кеселігі екені.
Solutions were built in partnership with local people through advanced skills training in alternative livelihoods, which fortified agriculture and food and economic resources.
Олардың әсерлері яқшы реважданып, семьяларына азық-ауқат программасының реважданышына yana әсер.
The human security concept is a very important one because it looks at the lives of people, not only at their physical well-being.
To je za poljoprivrednike bilo katastrofa. To je sve uništeno. A nas je 8 članova u porodici. Od čiste poljoprivrede živi. To ima 3 godine da se preživljava.
So it is not only rebuilding roads, it is rebuilding communities.
It looks at cross-cutting issues of security, threats to human life, which affect their livelihoods, their dignity, and their survival.
In 2012, the UNTFHS took its pioneering and tailored approach to Turkana, where pastoral communities face severe and reoccurring droughts. The resulting depletion of livestock and scarce resources increased the rate of violent conflicts, malnutrition, and communicable diseases.
The people have benefited a lot by acquiring new skills, new technologies in the agriculture.
They feel so proud and so good that something that actually can uplift their standards of living.
By combining bottom-up empowerment with top-down protection, the human security approach yields transformational results and creates the capacity to ward off and prevent future threats.
We approach the issue of security from an integrated point of view, as a package. Food, health, and education are inseparable.
Tanzania. Minong tunga kumori kulo dinga tungal dan telur tani. Bunya kopo idelo. Depois de tani ngedel to kana yo kolu. Depois torto kizingaren bonito bonyo.
We are here to help people, and we have to work together to assure their security for tomorrow.
By focusing on the challenges faced by communities as a result of natural disasters, the human security approach advances comprehensive cross-sectoral solutions that are locally driven and outcome-oriented. They result not only in rebuilding societies, but rebuilding them better, in ways that give people resilience, hope, and confidence in today and tomorrow's potential. The key Sustainable Development Goal, post-2015, cannot be attained without strengthened human security and its focus on the effective management of risk and greater resilience building.